one, they're better, and two, they would have been able to.
Women and men. And
per request of the last video, I decided I might just drop a little tutorial on this one. Don't expect it on all these videos, but you know, I thought I'd just little add something. So I'm gonna be doing a neck taper. You see me just drawing out that M at the bottom. We want to make the guideline right above that. This is my magic clip, fully closed, and the reason for that is it allows for a better transition, and you know, you control for darkness better when you have light and dark spots like that. Like, gotta do some gymnastics. Now I just did an open. I'm gonna fade that bottom line out, and the way I do it is I go open and then I just bring the lever, push the lever up as I'm going down, and that really takes out the line. Now I know a lot of you have watched the RMF videos, and this is, you know, where it really helps. I use RMF on myself. So you see that dark line I made right there? I'm gonna take out a 1 and see how it reacts to it. And if the line is still too dark, I'm going up. So like you see that? I go up, the line is pretty dark. That's why I go up about an inch to make it a little more faint. Now I'm gonna close it, going below the line I created at the top, but going above the line that's at the bottom. And then now I'm using the half, and then it's taking out the line. I'm just lightening out the line, you know? So lines are created to hold places for you. You know, you don't need to create them. If you notice, I only made, what, about 2 real lines here, like the one with the closed, then the one with the open. But I wouldn't have to make any of that. I only make those lines because with my system, I lose myself if I don't do that. Now I just line up. And the neck taper, this literally happened in, like, you don't believe me, like a minute or 2, like maybe like 2 minutes. I'm gassing it, maybe 5. Let's say 5. There you have it. There's still a little dark spot in the bottom right corner. I fixed that after. I can't, like, my angles are weird seeing the fade because of the camera, but that dark spot definitely got taken care of. You see, I'm pointing it out to you guys. Yeah. Today he's fully booked. Hold on a second. Yo, Kev, this is your no-show. This is your no-show, and I told him you got fully booked today. Seeing if I just let him know. Yeah, no problem. Today he's fully booked, but you can book with him tomorrow. He has openings tomorrow. I just canceled it for you. All right, bro. No shows, boss. He called in to let me know that he didn't show.
clearly, bro.
Yo, I'm not there.
In case you're wondering, I'm not in the chair right now.
I know they thought I wouldn't, but I'm fireplace. I had my cake and ate it too. That shit is an acquired taste. I promised I would buy a place. I got my favorite roommates. They used to never see me like when you zip up a new babe. Do that shit for it's too late. Don't ever drink the Kool-Aid. Don't ever think it's sweet. That's that creme de la brulee. Who they rob a Kool-Aid. They nutsy cuckoo goofy. My wifey yelling who they. My daughter yelling hooray. I see it clear like Blu-ray. I park it in the sky. I keep them on my block round the corner of my eye like like a style,
Kev looking mad sad over there. You good, bro?
It hurts, man. It hurts. You come in ready for work. You know you're on time. You're prepared. Your station's nice and neat, like mommy. But at the same time, he rescheduled. He reached out. That's the least you could do as a no-show. If you're gonna miss on your barber, don't feel like you don't need to hit him up. Like you should hit him up and let him know, hey man, this and that came up. Same way, like if your girl had dinner and you're gonna be late for that dinner, you better let her know you're gonna be late for that dinner.
What's going on?
Yeah, man. And I feel like at the same time, you don't forget. Forgive, but don't forget. That client keeps doing it to you over and over again. You know, you better catch on. You better catch on.
I actually saw on the comments today, somebody goes, let's see if I can get it in the middle. He said, why are all people in the shop so dope? And I missed the other Kev, he a G.
Oh, shit.
That's what I said. Bro, Kev wants to be in the video. I'm gonna go to lunch with him one time.
Yo, hit me up, man. Kevin's my boy. K Styles, what up?
K Styles.
That's my day, bro. Now, all the Kevs are cool, though. Honestly, I don't think I ran into, like, an annoying... Actually, one Kev that was super annoying. I guess we could all be annoying a little bit, right?
Facts.
But for the most part, Kevs are cool. This is facts.
That's it. We run the world, girls.
Me and you, we're on the hoopties right now. So,
Bro.
like, what's your next car?
Oh, my next car?
Ideally, in a perfect world, why not?
I don't know what it is, but I love me some, I love Audis.
Audis are fresh. I like that scheme of cars. So like Audis, Lexus, you know what I mean? Like those nice QX Infinities. I like all them shits.
There's no way I'm gonna get one of those cars if I don't have the money to like take care of it. I can drop the bread on it, but like,
yeah.
It's either I have the money to take care of it or I have the knowledge to do so. If I don't have either one of those, I'm not doing that. It's just gonna mess up my pocket.
I know people that live in their cars. They love their cars, bro.
Yeah. I'm not. Thankfully, I'm not
too
big a car person for it to suck money out of me like that.
Yeah, for me, it's still A to B. But I would love the interior to be like nice and
dope,
clean,
yeah.
you know, like
my girl was talking about
nice.
like integration, like you know when the cars have like iPhone integration or something like that.
Oh yeah.
Like, yeah,
that's
so
really cool. But that's any car, like even a Honda. You ever been in a new Honda, like 2018, 2019?
Yeah.
They're like spaceships, bro. All of them. It's just now the style is different. So like you get in a foreign, it's gonna feel foreign, you know. But I'm gonna ride my hoopty till it dies, bro. It's loyal. You got something loyal, take care of it.
The hoopty scoop, and you said that yesterday too. You saw the video?
Which video?
The video's up from last night.
Oh nah, you put it up?
Yeah, bro.
I was stuck watching the last episode you did on
RMF.
Huh?
RMF.
What's RMF? Rate My Fade? Yo, Rate My Fade is lit. It has a freaking nickname, RMF. No, yeah. They you got some posts that like are people who are already doing it. And
they know they're doing it. You know, they just
want to be like, what you think? Because they trust you though. You give good criticism.
Appreciate
and then you got the people who are like just starting up and you can tell. But you're telling them like how it is. Like, yo, you need the criticism to get better. Today I'm gonna post one of my things. See what he says. It's gonna be lit.
First time I came here, TJ sent me this joint.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
What'd you say? You gotta pull that episode up, bro.
Word. I don't even know. I mean,
that's hilarious.
I was honest.
You have to be, bro.
I don't remember what I said. I don't even think they know. They don't know if it was TJ.
I can see you on this magazine cover.
Oh, what?
I can see you on this magazine.
Word. Appreciate it.
Word.
That'd be dope.
Check this out. I don't know. There's a read straight. Barber Evo.
I see a bunch of those.
It's half paid, half not.
What we doing over here?
We're starting our new session of talking while cutting hair.
Interesting.
Yeah. Stay tuned for the first episode with the homie, Eddie, the one and only, Balak. Did I pronounce your last name right?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean,
Eddie, what now?
Balak.
Balak.
Yep.
Balak.
B-E, no, not like Sandra.
Not Sandra Bullock. It's Balak.
Like Bell and then Lock. Put them together.
Okay, Balak. Okay.
What's up with you guys? Talking
Nothing
about them
much.
no shows?
Yeah. We brought
my little camera at home to shame.
What camera you got?
I don't even know. It's some little white camera. It's a DSLR, but
Oh, true. It's SL1, Canon SL1.
I think so. Yeah.
Okay. It does look kind of big. Like it's a big setup. And then Ivan's is like
Yo,
massive.
should I put the fuzzy thing on there or keep that?
Nah, the fuzzy thing is for like if you're outside and it's like super windy.
Word. So what's the vibe, guys? I'm loving this, yo.
I don't know, bro. I want to get something to eat before my next client comes, because if it's up to me, I just not eat.
Yo, I said that in the last episode. Kev don't eat. Me, on the other hand, this Kev eats, bro.
That's Kev's client. That's Kev's client. Bro, every time he sees me, he acts like I'm not there. Like, every time.
Just become invisible.
Because what happened was, after Kev left, I hope Kev is watching this, because he was like, oh, his clients are gonna like come over to the shop. But the way some of Kev's clients are, like, they don't want nobody but Kev. Like, you know what I'm saying?
For real.
Like they just want his vibe. So he came in.
They want his comfortability.
Exactly. He came in. He was like, yeah, he wanted an appointment. Dude didn't show up for his appointment. So I looked at him. Next time I saw him, I looked at him, he looked at me, and we both had the, bro, you didn't show up to your last appointment.
And he was like scratching my head.
So I was like, got you. See, you saw that? That's, wow.
You even look.
You didn't look.
Let's reenact what happened. He was like,
I still on the floor of you. You know what I do, shorty. I'm out with the crew, shorty. You know how I move, shorty. I've been with the thugs too. On the avenue, shorty. Selling on the avenue. You know what I had to do. I'm not about to act with you. You know how I had to move. Grimy with the shorty, shorty. That's just how I had to move. Silence when you wait, girl. I'm up on the way, girl. Don't let me just wait, girl. Don't let me mistake, girl. You know what I do, boo. You know who I be with. I be on that G shit. Fluffed around 3 shit. All up on the couch, girl. We was on that free shit. I be freaking you, shorty. You ain't about to move, shorty, no.
After dude came in, I cut like 3 more people. But what ended up happening was I actually cut Kev's client. He came through, we talked a bit, explained like a schedule, like my scheduling, how I operate. And he, you know, told me about his expectations and stuff. So that's how that went. It's that time. Can't quite see it. But actually about to get back home and edit this.
what up,
Gang
y'all?
gang.
Gang, gang.
Kev,
Gang.
do some gang signs with your right hand.
You two gang.
Oh, you did it. I was just doing it
Oh, with the
you-
blade.
With the blade.
What's good, you two?
What up? I said what up like I'm YouTube.
You are you two, Kev.
Like, what's going on right now? But yeah, dead tired. That's it for the day, I think. I don't think I want to add anything else. But, alright. See y'all in tomorrow's episode.